Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Word_Magic by Serbi. Today we've got an exciting and vital topic for you, the top 7 foods to detoxify your body. Detoxifying our bodies is not just a trend, it's a crucial aspect of maintaining good health. And the best part? It can be delicious too. So, grab a seat and let's dive deeper into the top 7 foods that can help you detox and make you feel your absolute best. 1. Lemon water. Lemon water, a refreshing and hydrating drink, is essential for detoxifying the body. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons support the liver's natural detox processes. The acidity of lemon juice stimulates digestive enzymes, aiding in digestion and promoting toxin elimination. Starting your day with lemon water is a simple habit to boost metabolism and enhance overall detoxification. 2. Cilantro. Cilantro, a vibrant herb, serves as a potent natural detoxifier. With its unique properties, cilantro may help eliminate heavy metals from the body, supporting a cleanse. Including cilantro in your diet adds a flavorful touch while contributing to a holistic approach to detoxification. 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds, tiny powerhouses of nutrition, contribute to the detox process with their high fiber content and omega-3 fatty acids. The soluble fiber in chia seeds aids digestion and helps remove toxins from the digestive tract. Including chia seeds in your diet supports a healthy, detoxifying lifestyle. 4. Pineapple. Pineapple, a tropical delight, is a natural aid in detoxification. Enriched with bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties, pineapple supports digestion and may help reduce bloating. Including pineapple in your diet adds a sweet and refreshing touch to your detox journey, promoting overall digestive health. 5. Garlic. Garlic, not just a kitchen staple but a potent detoxifier, contains sulfur compounds that support liver function and facilitate the body's detox process. These compounds aid in flushing out toxins and promoting overall metabolic health. Including garlic in your meals not only enhances flavor but also contributes to a natural and effective detoxification. 6. Green tea. Green tea, a popular beverage with ancient roots, is a powerhouse in promoting detoxification. Rich in catechins, it supports the liver in processing toxins and boosts metabolism. Incorporating green tea into your routine provides a refreshing way to enhance your body's natural detox processes while offering a myriad of health benefits. 7. Watermelon. Watermelon, beyond its delicious sweetness, is an excellent choice for detoxification. With high water content and a rich supply of antioxidants, it helps flush out toxins, keeping you hydrated and supporting overall cleansing. Enjoying watermelon is a refreshing and tasty way to contribute to your body's natural detox process. There you have it, the top 7 foods to detoxify your body. Incorporating these into your routine can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, take care, prioritize your health, and stay tuned for more valuable content.